The Shesha Geza unit is actually such an interesting, innovative product, I believe, in the sense that when we were sort of coming up with this design, our departure point was always sustainability, cost effectiveness, and impact. And I think what we then sought to do is, with the heightened sort of an increased need to sanitize because of COVID-19, we then started to think about sustainable ways in which people can sanitize without it being sort of exclusionary to areas which are underserviced and have a lack of resources. So we came up with the Shesha Geza unit, which essentially is a wash basin that allows people to wash their hands and sanitize them before entering, particularly in areas of high foot traffic. It enables people to remain sanitized. We actually innovated and started looking at a filtration system that we could integrate into the system. What that means basically is it allows you to reuse that water and keeps that water safe. So what we have is we've got a filtration system, a dosing system, as well as a chlorine mix, which allows the reusability of the water. So ultimately what you then get out is a mixture of water and chlorine, which is endorsed by the World Health Organization and allows and is effective as any sanitizer that you would use wherever you are. So also from a no-touch point of view, we've got a foot pump that allows you to sort of use your foot to actually release the water. You've got the basin and you're able then to wash and sanitize your hand. And also from a social distancing point of view, we've done the design in such a manner that we've got two basins in order to ensure that we've got capacity, but we've designed it in such a way that they opposite each other, so the social distancing is always enforced. It's a very easy to maintain system, because all you have to do is replenish the water after 20,000 washes, and you get an indicator for that. As the chlorine levels begin to drop, you get to a certain level where you then now know that the chlorine is not enough to be able to filter and make sure that the water is safe. So once you check the chlorine levels, you then know that it's time to replenish the water, you remove the water, you refill the chlorine, and it's quite cost effective because you use quite small numbers of chlorine and you use about 300 liters of water for 20,000 washes. So I think it's a really innovative product in the sense that it can be really used in areas where there's no access to the resources, and really is cost effective and sustainable and can be used over a long term.